Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another video. I'm here with my sister. She's blowing bubbles, and I'm blowing bubbles with Bubba Hubba bubble gum. So I'll show you. I'm already chewing the gum. For a minute, a couple minutes, like 10, 5. So yeah. Here's the first step. Get a gum. Put in your mouth. It's already in my mouth. Then chew for 10 minutes or 5. Okay. Then you have to make it flat, like. Then you have to put it here. Then you have to like bite on it. Then you like go like stick your tongue out. Then you blow. Like slow. I already did a couple big ones and my luck is just already out. So yeah, I'll try it. Couple big ones. Let's go, okay guys?
Just keep practicing.
I'm still practicing, I'm still a newbie, and this will be the last time, guys, and I'll end the video, okay? If you can beat that, comment down below, take a picture of yourself, and comment. Like, subscribe. I'll be in the next video. Bye.